Okay, now we're going to do our next trial of 4. What I've done is I've taken 20 grams from off the top of the cart and put it on a mass hanger. Now the mass hanger, I just weighed it, massed it. It has a total mass of 0.0687 kilograms. So in your data table, that's the mass that's that's hanging from the end of the hanger. The mass of the cart, the total mass of the system remains the same. The mass now on the end of the hanger is 0.0687. It's almost 70. It's just the mass hanger is a little bit less than 50 grams. So we're going to try it again. Now, let's see what happens. I wonder if the times are going to get smaller or bigger. Think about that before I let it go. If the cart is accelerating at a higher rate because it has a greater force tugging it, should the times that we see be greater or smaller? Okay, so our first trial, T1 is 0.3507. T2 is 0.1323. So, yes, you should have said that the times would have been smaller. It takes less time for the cart to go through the photo gate because it's going at a faster speed because of the acceleration. Okay, here's our trial. Second time trial. 0.3563 and T2 is 0.1317. So again, they're fairly well clustered together. Okay, third trial, 0.3538 and T2 is 0.1317. It's a little hard to read T2. Let's see if I can move it a little. It's a little bit better. All right. Our last trial for this one. Oop, I think I just hit the I'm going to have to try that over again. I saw it hit the timer on its way down. When I moved the timer, okay, so that's interfered with the pathway. Sorry about that. Let's do that one more time. I saw the timer move, so that's a bad one. Ouch. My finger got in the way there. All right, so T1 is 0.3541, T2 is 0.1317. Wow, that's a lot of 0.1317s. All right, so it looks like the data is fairly precise. Well, it's clustered nicely. So again, your data table, these timers, notice that they go to the 4th decimal point in. So think of what that means. We've got the 10th is the 1, 100th is the 3rd, thousandths is the 1, and 10 thousandths is a 7. So these smart timers are precise to 1/10,000th of a second, or when you write down in your data tables, you write down the time in the top column, you'd write plus or minus 0.0001 seconds. So these are very, very, very precise, much more so than your cell phones. So what we're going to do now is go up to our next trial.